6 marks IGCSE question. In this video, you will know how to find the model class, the mean, and the median. So let's look at the question. So there is some table here, and there are a lot of words which you won't need. So let's go to question A. It says find the model class. The model class is similar to the mode. The mode is the most repeated or the most frequent. So if we look at the number of teenagers, which is the frequency in this question, the most frequent, the biggest number is 15. That means the model class is 9 to 11. And that's your answer. This is 1 mark already. Now the second part, the question says work out an estimate for the number, for the mean. So everything in handwriting is not given. I did it just for the sake of time. So they gave us the mid interval 1 and 4. So I filled this. How did I get the 7, 10, 13, and 16? It's the middle point here. 6 plus 8 is 14. Divided by 2 is 7. 9 plus 11 is 20. Divided by 2 is 10, and so on. Now, the next table here, I got it by multiplying the frequency times the midpoint. So 3 times 1, 6 times 4, 10 times 7, and so on. Then I added all these down here to 328. And I added this to 40, and it's also given in the question. The questions told you there are 40 teenagers. So to estimate the mean, you'll just 328 divided by 40. 328 divided by 40, and that gives you 8.2. The last question, there is a question down there, question C. Question C says, why is your answer to question B here is an estimate? This is what's the question asking. Whenever they ask you this in such questions, the answer is because we don't know the exact values. You need to memorize this. This gives you the full mark. Why is it an estimate? Why is it not an exact mean? Because we don't know the exact values. If you want to understand what does this mean, now the number of text messages from 0 to 2 was sent by 3 teenagers. That means we don't know exactly which number. Is it 0? Is it 1? Is it 2? Which one repeated 3 times? We don't know the exact value. 3 to 5 repeated 6 times. Which number? 3, 4, or 5? We don't know. That's why. Now that's it. This is your full mark. I just want to add, since we spoke about this, what if we want to find the median? What if the question asks you to find the median? How do you do it? So to find the median, you need to find something called the cumulative frequency. So on the frequency, we have 3 here. The next one is 3 plus 6, 9. The next one is 9 plus 10, 19. And then 19 plus 15, I think that's 34. And then 39, and then 40. Now, to work out the median, you will divide the total of the frequencies, which is 40, by 2. So 40 divided by 2 equals 20. And then you need to locate this 20. Where is 20? 20 is obviously between 19 and 34. So the 20 is somewhere here. Then the median class is going to be 9 to 11. And that's the answer if the question asks you to find the median class. So the median class is 9 to 11. Now you should know how to find the model class, the mean, and the median class. Thank you for following. Bye-bye.